Welcome, in front of me I have TCL 25G, and today I'll show you how you can create folders on the home screen. So for example, I'm going to organize a few of these icons. So let's click hold this game and put it for another one. Right now this folder was created. We can add here another icons, so do the same. And right now when you click on that folder, it will be open. When you click on the name, it will be renamed. We can rename, click on this marker, turn it off. And when you swipe to the left, you can also store other folders that are on your home screen. When you want to go back, just click outside, and if you want to remove that folder or change position, you can just do it like with any other icon, and to remove, just drag to the right upper corner. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.